Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The U.S. economy is bracing for tighter economic conditions. High inflation, volatility in stock and commodity markets, as well as the war in Ukraine are risks to the U.S. financial system. The U.S. Federal Reserve made the report today as part of its biannual update on financial stability. It warned that the system is poised for potentially sudden disruptions. The report cautioned that while the stress has not been as extreme as in some past instances, the risk of significant deterioration appears higher than normal. Global meat prices have hit a new record high. The Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, of the United Nations says in April, the meat price index averaged 121.9 points. That's up 2.2% from March. The continued price increase stemmed from higher world poultry, pig and cattle meat prices. The FAO says world meat prices increased moderately, reflecting high export volumes from Brazil despite the low slaughter cattle supply. And in Jamaica, pig and poultry, goat farmers have indicated increases in prices due to the rising cost of feed and other inputs. Massey Holdings suffered a decline in profit for the quarter ended March. Profit for the 3 months was registered at 123 million Trinidadian dollars compared to 125.9 million last year. However, revenue improved. It amounted to $2.9 billion. In 2021, net earnings were $2.6 billion. Massey's various business segments says mixed results for the review period were linked to the impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. The U.S. currency is selling for an average of $155.77. $120.60 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $192.25 for the pound, and $167.56 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE main index declined by 1,071 points today, while the junior market index gained 45 points. Among the winners, Fosrich, Berger Paints, Jamaica Margaritaville Turks, Epley, and JFB. On the losing side were ISP Finance Services, Epley's 7.5% preference shares due 2024, KLE Group, Wisinka Group, and Sterling Investments US dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.